Imagine peeling a pineapple with perfect precision and speed. This special high-speed machine removes the rough outer skin of the pineapple, leaving the fresh, juicy part completely clean and ready to enjoy. The machine's sharp tools spin swiftly, delicately peeling off just the skin without damaging the fruit inside. This technique makes peeling pineapples faster, cleaner, and incredibly satisfying to watch. Such technology helps save time and effort, making fresh pineapples easier to prepare for everyone.